you get dressed with ease? It really boils down to this: making powerful decisions. Making decisions once, and then following through with those decisions every day. That is the purpose and the point of the wardrobe challenge. To challenge you to make powerful decisions. When you make these decisions, it makes the process of getting dressed a no-brainer. It just means that every single piece hanging in your closet you love. Every single piece hanging in your closet fits you today. Every single piece hanging in your closet is something that you want to wear, and you do wear on a regular basis. You know exactly what this feels like. Remember back to that last vacation you took where your packing game was on point. That was basically a series of powerful decisions that served you the whole time that you were gone. That made the process of getting dressed so easy the entire time you were away. You maybe had zero thoughts about getting dressed on vacation. Or you may have had thoughts about getting dressed, and they were thoughts like, this is so easy. This is a no-brainer. This feels so good. I should duplicate this in my life every day. These are all the things we're talking about in the wardrobe challenge. Hop in now, and you can get some coaching around what is keeping you from making these powerful decisions that will serve you every single day. I'm a closet coach. I love helping women to get dressed with ease. Hop into the wardrobe challenge and let's go.